Hey guys, Dr. Max, Dr. Candace here to talk to you about our new laser that we've got in the office. So, as you may have known, we did have a laser in the office before through Lightforce, but we recently upgraded to a stronger laser, has more power, and can help with acute injuries and other injuries, things like that.
Yeah, it helps with acute injuries because it decreases inflammation and speeds up the healing process. And it does this through biochemical changes or reactions that occur in the body. And our old laser was a 9-watt laser, and our new one is a 25-watt laser. So basically, treatment times are shorter, and we can treat more areas more effectively. So if you have different areas that are bothering you, we can treat those while you're here. But basically, it really helps injuries that just happen heal a lot quicker. Many pro teams and college teams all have lasers on hand now to get their athletes back on the field quickly because they're seeing such great results with it. So it really helps with all types of injuries, but if you're trying to get back onto the field or getting back to doing whatever you love as quickly as possible, laser therapy really helps with that.
And there's many types of acute injuries that it really does help with. So when people hear acute, they just wonder what that is. So that might mean like a sprained ankle, a muscle pull, like if you're working out at the gym, you pull your hamstring, a shoulder strain or shoulder pull, things like that. So any of those injuries that may have just happened in the first 24 to 48 hours, that's where the acute injuries happen, and that's when the laser really, really works on decreasing that bad inflammation and speeding up that healing process on a cellular level, working deep in there too. And we've seen really, really good results, with people when they come in, they maybe just sprain their ankle or something or injure themselves, the day before, and we'll see swelling go down, bruising go down, just with use of the laser in those first, couple days, which is very, very critical time.
Yeah, and combining the laser with the other services we offer, including the scrapey tool that we're infamous for, the cupping we do, the adjusting, everything works really well, especially if you have acute injury and you combine some rock tape with it. People are getting back to doing their activities much quicker. So combining the laser with the other services we offer in the office is great. Some people come in just strictly for the laser, but combining all the services we offer definitely sees quicker results.
Yeah, people want to know too, how can they use the laser? The laser right now isn't covered by insurance, but we do offer packages that when you come in, you ask our office manager Kelly what package is going to work for you, whether you're combining chiropractic with it or just doing the laser. We can give you a package to help you get you back to whatever sport or activity you need to get to.
Yeah, what's cool about the packages is, some patients know when they need the laser treatment, so they'll come in for a chiro visit and say, I want to add, laser in today, and then next visit they don't use the laser therapy because they know they don't really need it. So that's one cool thing. You buy a package, the treatment sessions are yours, they don't expire, and you kind of just use them as you need to. So if you're interested in learning more about the laser or finding out how it can help you, either comment below or hit us up at 8 p.m.